Hey guys, it's Christy with Christy's Custom Creations, and I've had a lot of questions about my turner setup that I have, so I figured that I would kind of just do a quick tour and show everybody exactly what I am working with here. So it is a 7-turner setup that my husband built for me out of a Harbor Freight workbench. It's a 48-inch workbench with a light that we got from Harbor Freight, and it was $99 there. All right, so you'll have to excuse my handheld camera skills. I'm a little bit shaky, not very good at handheld recording, but I like to use the foam footballs, and we use 3/4-inch PVC for everything. And as you can see here, I've got 7 spinners here on my workbench. My workbench has a shelf below, and as you can see, I'm a little bit of an epoxy and spray paint hoarder. I've got a couple of milk crates down here and lots of different epoxies, and let's focus in on my favorite epoxy, Tumbler Epoxy. So that's pretty much my storage down below. I like to keep my football arms and my heat gun and some wipes up top, and then this is a drying rack along the top there too. And as you can see, this is how they are attached. There's actually a fitting that my husband drilled a hole through that goes into the little motor that we purchased on Amazon for the turner. I just want to take a moment and show how beautiful these tumblers are that are currently spinning. So next I'm going to pull the workbench out from the wall. It usually sits up against the wall. And I'm going to show you the setup back here, how my husband has wired it all up and everything. And the little black box is actually the switch, and each turner has its own individual switch. So we have the motors attached, and they're all actually attached together, so they all run, off the same power cord, and then each switch is attached to that motor that it sits above. So it's a pretty neat setup how he's got it rigged up for me. And we'll go ahead and slide it back. Okay, so this metal L-shaped bar right here, he actually purchased that at Lowe's, and he attached it to the hood of the workbench, and it's basically just a stand. It helps support these 2 boards that run across, and they meet another metal rod, I guess you could call it. And so that's what holds my arms on, and it just sits right there on the table. Everything's screwed into place, so it's all pretty secure. The workbench also comes with a light, which is very nice, and it helps keep my area lit up while I'm working. So it's just a basic, really quick tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it answers a lot of questions that a lot of people have about just wanting to see my setup in general. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to hit the like button, and also hit the subscribe button to see more videos and tutorials on how I make my beautiful tumblers. Y'all take care. Bye.